U.S. plans to ban dual citizenship? Here's who could be affected. The U.S. government is reportedly considering legislation that could restrict or ban dual citizenship in certain cases, raising concerns among millions of Americans who hold or plan to obtain a second nationality. This potential policy shift could have wide-ranging consequences for immigrants, expatriates, and dual national families. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. The U.S. really ban dual citizenship, and if so, who would be affected? This is a complex issue with big implications, so let's break it down with the latest facts and insights. 1. What is dual citizenship? Dual citizenship, or dual nationality, is when someone is legally recognized as a citizen of two countries at the same time. In the U.S., this often happens when someone is born in the U.S. to foreign parents, or when a U.S. citizen naturalizes in another country that allows dual citizenship. The U.S. doesn't formally encourage dual citizenship, but it's been permitted for decades, with about 25 million naturalized U.S. citizens potentially holding another nationality, according to 2023 data. So, why is there talk about banning it now? 2. Why is a dual citizenship ban being discussed? Recent discussions about banning dual citizenship stem from policy shifts in the current administration. In June 2025, the Department of Justice issued a memo prioritizing the denaturalization of citizens who obtained U.S. citizenship through fraud or who pose national security threats like terrorism or serious crimes. This has sparked speculation about broader restrictions on dual citizenship, especially since some countries don't recognize it, creating consular challenges for dual nationals abroad. 3. Who would be affected? If the U.S. were to ban dual citizenship, several groups could feel the impact. 1. Naturalized U.S. citizens, around 25 million people, who hold citizenship in another country, might face tough choices. They could be required to renounce their other nationality to keep their U.S. citizenship, which could affect family ties, property ownership, or travel freedom. 2. Children born in the U.S. to non-citizen parents, especially those with temporary visas or undocumented status, could be caught in legal limbo if birthright citizenship rules change alongside a dual citizenship ban. Recent reports estimate over 150,000 children born annually could be affected by changes to birthright citizenship alone. 3. Dual nationals living abroad might face restrictions on consular protections, as we've seen with warnings for Iranian Americans. 4. High-profile cases, like recent threats to revoke citizenship from public figures, show how this policy could be used to target specific individuals, raising concerns about fairness. 4. Legal and practical challenges. The 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution guarantees citizenship to anyone born on U.S. soil, and a 1967 Supreme Court ruling, Affarim v. Rusk, protects citizenship from being revoked unless it was obtained fraudulently. A blanket ban on dual citizenship would likely face massive legal challenges, as it could violate these protections. Plus, enforcing it would be a logistical nightmare. Imagine the government trying to track down millions of dual nationals. Experts also warn that targeting dual citizenship could harm immigrant communities and create a slippery slope for all citizens' rights. So, while the idea of a ban is being floated, it's far from a done deal. 5. What does this mean for you? If you're a dual citizen or know someone who is, this topic might feel personal. For now, no ban is in place, but staying informed is key. Check your citizenship status, keep records of your naturalization process. If you're traveling abroad as a dual national, research the consular policies of your other country of citizenship. And, most importantly, engage in the conversation. Policies like this affect millions, and your voice matters. The possible ban on dual citizenship could impact millions of people with ties to multiple countries, affecting their rights and freedoms. The final decision will shape the future of U.S. nationality laws and how Americans connect with their heritage abroad. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.